been a time in a busy life that I have, that I've been able to take out, sit down and just really listen and just praise God for who He is.
I think this is fantastic. I think it's grown tremendously since it started a year ago. I think it offers an opportunity for me to come and worship.
I think the testimonies have been brilliant, the worship's been brilliant, the fellowship's been brilliant. It's been really, really brilliant.
I think God's taken the idea of Burning and used it, and it's become a really good event that people can come to and they can just spend time to reflect on their Christian lives and learn about other people's Christian lives and just spend time before God, worshipping God, bringing their needs and their prayers before God.
Brilliant, excellent. What a fantastic worship event. It was really good. The music, amazing. The testimonies, well, I gave one, but you know, the other testimonies. I'm lost for words. It's just so good. Come.